Hi everyone, I am here to tell you how we use these chunks in words. I am going to explain what those sounds are so that you can be practicing at home. This is the PowerPoint that has been shared in the Monday memo and on our Phoenix Family portal on the Resurgence Hall website. So you'll notice when I go to each slide, there's a different pair of letters. Those letters make a sound that we are calling a chunk. Chunky monkey is this strategy that scholars are using to figure out words or decode words that they don't know. So first, they recognize these chunks in the word. They need to know the sound before they can then put the sounds together and read the word. First, I'll show you the sounds that they need to know, and then I will show you how to apply the sound to read a word. Ing, a, I. Here, this line indicates that a consonant letter would be there. So picture this word being like, an L and the I. The K is the consonant and the silent E at the end. Ooh, ow, or, all. For this one, you're putting your tongue between your front teeth and you're making the sound. Sol, go, sk, sm, sp, fur, nd. This one is at the end of words like bend, I. Think about this in the word night or bright. Oh, this is two L's next to each other. Mp, as in jump. Bull, pull, sk, st, sw, gur, nt, as in bent or paint. O. Before we said ow, this can also say O as in the word slow. Ch, full, sul, sn, bur, dur, tur, ed. This is at the end of words. It can be pronounced ed. It can also sound like a D sound or a T sound. For example, in the word walked, it sounds like a T at the end of that verb. Ugh, sh, are. Those are all of our chunks that we're learning. Now I'd like to show you how you can apply this to a word. There's an additional PowerPoint called Step 4 Word Solving. Here, scholars, their first job is to identify the chunks immediately in a word. Before they start to sound it out, they should be noticing those chunks as clues to help them. After they recognize those sounds, they can say the sounds slow. So they're going to blend those sounds together. They say them slow, then they blend it fast. We always have scholars in the habit of asking, does that make sense afterwards? Because it will not be a nonsense word. I'm going to show you in the next one. In this word, scholars should recognize that this E is a sneaky E that makes the I say I. To blend this, I would say I'd, tide. Tide, that's a real word. Here I see OA. OA says O. Now I can blend it. Oat, goat. Goat is also a real word. I see sh, shut. You can follow this rule for all of these words. Scholars are asking themselves, does the word make sense? For example, when you get to this word, I see cur and I see OW. I'm going to try the ow sound and the O sound and see which one makes sense. Crone, crone. I haven't heard the word crone. Let me try its other sound. Crown, crown. I do know the word crown, so this word must be crown. Families, I hope that this is a helpful resource for you. Scholars should be practicing these sounds and recognizing these sounds right away. Thank you so much.